Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that real token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, real assets is the native token of the real finance blockchain, a specialized layer 1 network built to bridge real world economic value with decentralized finance by tokenizing assets like bonds and real estate. Purpose built for RWAs. It is a blockchain designed specifically to bring institutional grade real world assets RWAs on chain to provide stable, transparent yield, manage assets lifecycle. The protocol handles everything from legal compliance and issuance to yield distribution and settlement for tokenized assets. Native assets token utility. The assets token powers network operators, including staking, governance, and incentivizing participants. Real token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 50 million asset token. Asset token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.